Looking for a toilet that saves space and reduces your water bill? Tankless toilets are the modern, eco-friendly solution. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to pick the perfect one for your home. Understanding tankless toilets. A tankless toilet, as the name suggests, eliminates the traditional water tank. Instead, it uses pressurized water from your plumbing system to flush. This design makes the toilet more compact, sleek, and efficient. Not only is it ideal for eco-conscious homeowners, but it also suits smaller bathrooms where space is a premium. Tankless toilets are becoming a favorite for modern minimalist designs, giving you a streamlined look without sacrificing power. Unlike conventional models, they use advanced flushing technology to create strong, consistent flushes, all while saving water and space. If you're looking to upgrade to something more modern, tankless toilets are a game changer. Water pressure requirement. Here's the catch. Tankless toilets rely on high water pressure to function effectively. Without enough pressure, the flush won't be as strong, which means potential issues with performance. So before you jump into buying one, you need to check your home's water pressure. If it's too low, you might face weak flushes, and no one wants that. In some cases, you may need to install a pump or even upgrade your plumbing, which can add unexpected costs. This is one of the most crucial things to consider. Poor water pressure can lead to frustration and maintenance issues down the line. If you're not sure, it's always a good idea to call a plumber to assess your system before making the investment. Space and design consideration. Tankless toilets are the ultimate space saver. Without a bulky tank taking up valuable real estate, these toilets free up room, allowing for a more open, modern bathroom design. This is especially helpful if you have a small bathroom or just want to create a minimalist aesthetic. The wall-mounted design doesn't just save space, it gives your bathroom a sleek, floating look, making the room feel larger and more contemporary. Whether you're remodeling or just looking to give your bathroom a fresh, modern vibe, tankless toilets can completely transform the space. If you're after a design that complements modern decor, a tankless toilet fits perfectly, offering both beauty and function in one compact unit. Flush mechanism and water efficiency. Let's talk about the flush. Tankless toilets are engineered with a flush valve, or flushometer, that directly connects to your plumbing system, delivering a powerful flush using pressurized water. This means no waiting for a tank to refill and no wasted water. Many tankless models use as little as 1.27 gallons per flush, GPF, making them significantly more water efficient than traditional toilets. Not only does this save water, but it also saves you money on your utility bills over time. But wait, there's more! Many tankless toilets come with dual flush options. This allows you to choose between a smaller flush for liquids and a more powerful one for solids. It's a great way to conserve even more water and further reduce your environmental footprint. So you get the best of both worlds, a strong, reliable flush without the guilt of wasting water. Whether you're eco-conscious or simply want to lower your water bill, tankless toilets offer a solution that's as efficient as it is effective. The blend of modern design and water efficiency makes them an ideal choice for today's environmentally aware homeowner. Installation and maintenance. Installing a tankless toilet is a bit more complex than installing a traditional one. Why? These toilets require high water pressure, and some models might also need electrical connections for features like heated seats or nightlights. This means that your plumber might need to make some upgrades to your plumbing, or you could face extra electrical work. While the installation costs may be higher up front, it's important to consider the long-term benefits. When it comes to maintenance, though, tankless toilets win. Because they lack a traditional tank, there are fewer parts that can break down, reducing the risk of leaks or failures. You won't have to worry about constantly replacing tank parts like flappers or fill valves. As a result, tankless toilets tend to have fewer issues and require less frequent maintenance than their traditional counterparts. So, while the initial installation might be pricier, the ongoing upkeep is simpler and less costly in the long run. Cost and budget considerations. Let's talk money. Tankless toilets do cost more upfront than your typical toilet, and the installation can be a bit pricier, especially if plumbing or electrical work is needed. However, the savings can really add up over time. Lower water bills, fewer maintenance costs, and a modern design that might even increase your property value. It's important to factor in all potential costs when budgeting for a tankless toilet, including any upgrades your home may need. But don't let the higher initial costs scare you off. If you're environmentally conscious or just want a sleek, contemporary look, a tankless toilet can be a wise investment in both comfort and efficiency. Who should choose a tankless toilet? So, who is the perfect candidate for a tankless toilet? If you have a small bathroom, want to save space, or are looking to reduce your environmental footprint, a tankless toilet could be a great fit. They're also perfect for those who want a modern, minimalist bathroom that combines functionality with a sleek design. However, tankless toilets may not be the best option for homes with low water pressure or for those on a tight budget, especially considering the higher initial costs and installation requirements. If your plumbing can handle it and you're willing to make the investment, though, a tankless toilet is an excellent choice for modernizing your bathroom. Choosing the right tankless toilet involves evaluating your space, water pressure, and budget. Keep these factors in mind, and you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect toilet for your home.